Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday and we are back at CVS for another week of deals, and today is the start of a brand new 2-week ad, and we do have some really good deals going on. We have some high value digital coupons, so I'm really excited to show you guys what we have that we can do this week with our coupons, our rebates, and as well as our spend CRT. I did get a 3 out of 15 spend CRT on 2 of my accounts. The 2 accounts that have a decent amount of extra bucks on them, I used my % off CRT from Thursday. It was 20% off on both accounts, and then on both accounts I got a 3 out of 15 this morning. Yesterday during the day I placed a pickup order for 2 packs of gum, 1 on each of the accounts, and I was excited to see that I got more 3 out of 15s to use. So I'm going to do a different 3 out of 15 transaction on each of those accounts, and I am going to be recording for short form today. So if you guys are not already following me on my short form platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and then here on YouTube Shorts as well, if you're subscribed to me, then you're already subscribed to my YouTube Shorts as well as my long form videos. Definitely follow me on those other platforms if you have accounts and you like watching couponing videos there, because I do post different content than I post here. Also, if you're interested, I do have a Facebook deals channel, and then I also have an Instagram broadcast channel. And so for both of those, if you join my group, it's free to join, it's just a part of the platform, then you get access to deals that I post that are online deals, Amazon coupon code deals, and random really good deals that I find online. And I don't overwhelm the chat there. I only post between like 5 and 10 things per day, the best online deals that I find that day. My sister helps me find the deals and post them to there, and they go right to either your Facebook Messenger app if you're signed up for my Facebook deals channel, and then with Instagram broadcast channels, it goes directly to your Instagram DMs. So it's really easy. If you go to my page on Facebook or Instagram, you'll see it. On Instagram, it'll be on my profile. You'll see the Kayla Coupons run deals, and then on Facebook, you'll see my broadcast channel as well that you can join there right underneath my profile. Let me know what you guys think of it if you are already a member. But yeah, I'm posting the best deals there, and I feel like it's another really great, easy way for me to let you guys know of some like timely 1-day only deals, whereas a video would take too long to create. So with all that being said, let's get into the new deals this week.
Okay, first up, we have a deal on Neutrogena makeup. These are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. The cheapest option at my store was the Healthy Volume Mascara at $11.49. And we have a $3 digital coupon that we can clip and use for this. So we should be left to pay $8.49. And after getting back the $5 extra buck, that's going to make this mascara just $3.49. The Neutrogena acne deal is really great. Just like the makeup, it's spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. This is a separate extra care buck promotion though. The acne patches are perfect because they're $10.49, so they're perfect for the spend 10, get 5. And we have a $3.50 digital coupon. So using that, you'll be left to pay $6.99, and after getting back your $5 extra buck, it makes this just $1.99. I would recommend checking your skincare clearance because a lot of it was on clearance, at least at my store. This Neutrogena Retinol Pro Eye Cream was on clearance 75% off for just $9.87. And we do have a $5 digital coupon attaching, making it $4.87. I decided I'm actually going to combine these 2 deals together to use a 5 off 20 Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care CRT. So if your store also has Neutrogena or Aveeno clearance, you could definitely pair them together and do this deal. These 2 would total $20.36, and after the 5 off 20, the $3.50 digital for the Neutrogena Acne and the $5 digital for the Neutrogena Retinol, I will be left to pay just $6.86, but after getting back the $5 extra care buck from the acne, it makes everything $1.86. I think this L'Oreal facial care deal is actually pretty good this week because it is spend 45, get 20. So you could grab one of the Revitalift moisturizers at $30.39 and pair it with one of these Revitalift cleansers at $14.99. Those 2 would total $45.38, and we do have a 5 off 25 L'Oreal facial care CRT. Check if you have that. And we also have a $5 digital coupon. So you'd be left to pay $35.38 for these 2 products. Getting back your $20 extra buck would make $45 worth of L'Oreal facial care just $15.38. Another good facial care deal is on Garnier. It's buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. So grabbing 2 of the Blackhead scrubs is the cheapest option, totaling $12.43. You can use a 2 off 10 Garnier facial care CRT and a $3 manufacturer digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $7.43, but you'd get back your $5 extra buck, making the 2 products just $2.43. Like I said, a lot of skincare on clearance, like this Olay set for just $10.12, and we do have a 5 off 2 digital coupon attaching. We do have a decent deal on the Dove Men Plus Care bar soap. The 6 counts are on sale for $9.99 and they're buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So 2 would total $19.98 and we have a $3 manufacturer digital coupon. So you'd be left to pay $16.98. You could also use your 3 off 15 CRT on this deal if you wanted to. And then you're going to be left to pay with just the digital coupon $16.98, get back your $3 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each 6 count bar soap, getting back a total of $4 on Ibotta. That would make your final cost just $9.98 or just $4.99 each. That is 50% off the sale price, so definitely a good deal. And if you guys do not already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. If you sign up there when you submit for your first Ibotta offer, you'll get a $5 bonus. A really good deal we have going on this week is on Axe body wash. They're $6.29, buy one get one 50% off, and buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them, totaling $9.43, and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $4.43, and after the $3 extra buck, it would be just $1.43 for 2 of them. This is a deal I'm throwing into my 3 off 15 transaction. A separate Axe deal that you can do is on the deodorant or body sprays. The body sprays are the cheaper option at $7.29. They're buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck, so you can grab 2 totaling $14.58 and use a 6 off 2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $8.58. And after the $3 extra buck, it's going to make 2 of them $5.58. Embarrassing, but when I was first researching this deal, I kind of got this deal on the body wash confused. So I totally thought these were also buy one get one 50% off, which of course would have made it a better deal. So when I was doing my deals and my planning, I put this into my 3 off 15 transaction. So I thought my 3 off 15 that I'll show you at the end of the video should have ended up being cheaper, but because it was not buy one get one 50% off, I paid a little bit more than I was expecting. Select Colgate toothpaste are $3.99 and buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 totaling $7.98 and use a $2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5.98, and after the $5 extra buck, it makes 2 of these just 98 cents. Select Crest and Oral-B products are $3.99 and buy 3 get back a $5 extra buck. So included and probably the best bang for your buck are the Crest 500 milliliter mouthwashes, but also included are Select Crest toothpaste, and also included are Select Oral-B toothbrushes. Doing this deal by itself, 3 of those products you can mix and match would total $11.97. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that attaches to all the different products. You'd be left to pay $6.97, earning back your $5 extra buck for buying 3 of them. Makes all 3 products just $1.97. Another Crest toothpaste deal that we have going on are on the more expensive Crest gum and Brilliance toothpaste. They're on sale for $8.99 and they're buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck. So if you want to do this deal by itself, you can grab 2 of them totaling $17.98. And we actually have 2 separate $4 off of 1 digital coupons that'll attach to each of the 2 toothpaste that you buy, taking off $8. So you'll be left to pay $9.98, but you earn back your $4 extra buck. And then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on each of the toothpaste, getting a total of $2 back from Ibotta, making your final cost just $3.98 for the 2 toothpaste or $1.99 each. The way that I would recommend doing the Crest deal is by combining the buy 3 get back a $5 extra care buck deal and the more expensive toothpaste deal for buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck. These 5 items would total you $29.95, and you can use a 4 off 20 Crest Scope Oral-B CRT. You might also have like a 5 off 20. Either way, I personally have a 4 off 20. And then in addition to the CRT, you use a $4 digital coupon for each of the more expensive Crest toothpaste, taking off $8. And then you'd also use the 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Crest and the Scope and the Oral-B. So you'd be left to pay $12.95. You'd earn back your $4 extra buck for the 2 more expensive toothpaste deal and your $5 extra care buck for the cheaper toothpaste, mouthwash, and toothbrushes deal. And then you can again submit to Ibotta for $1 back on each of the more expensive Crest toothpaste, getting back $2, making your final cost for all 5 items just $1.95. So definitely it's the best deal doing this deal combined with all 5 items rather than doing the deals separate. I know some people are brand loyal to Arm & Hammer toothpaste, so I just wanted to shout out this deal really quick. These toothpastes are $5.49 and they are a pretty big size, and they are spend 10 get back a $5 extra buck, so it would be just like $5.98 for 2 of them final cost. Another oral care deal is on the Biotin Dry Mouth Oral Rinse. They are $5.79 for the smaller bottles, and they are buy two, get back a $5 extra buck, so it'd make two of them $6.58 for both. Select of the Venus and Gillette disposable razors are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab one of each of the Venus and the Gillette at $9.59 at my store, totaling $14.38. And we have separate $3 digital coupons for the Venus and for the Gillette, taking off $6. You'd pay $8.38, get back your $4 extra buck, making both of them $4.38. Another way to do this deal if you don't want to grab the disposable razors is by doing the Gillette Foamy deal. Buy one, get one 50% off, buy two, get back a $4 extra buck, same deal as the disposable razors. Two of these would total $5.83, and after earning back the $4 extra buck, it makes both of the shave creams just $1.83. Another disposable razor deal that we have is on the Skintimate. They are $6.99, buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two of the razors and one of the travel size Skintimate shave foam at $2.59, totaling $16.57, and then you can use a 4 off 16 Skintimate CRT and a $3 digital coupon for one of the razor packs. You'd be left to pay $9.57, earning back your $4 extra buck would make all three products $5.57. Heads up, you guys, that the Arm & Hammer smaller bottles of laundry detergent, as well as the smaller packs of the Arm & Hammer scent beads, are on sale for just $1.99 this week. As you can see, my store is all sold out. The Whole Blends and Garnier Fructis are buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. They are on separate promotions, so you can do both the Whole Blends deal and the Fructis deal and earn back a total of $6 in extra bucks. So what we're going to do is actually combine these two deals together so we can use a 4 off 20 Garnier Hair Care CRT. So grabbing all four of these, the Whole Blends at $6.29 and the Fructis at $5.29, it totals $23.16. We can use that 4 off 20 CRT, and then we have a separate digital coupon for 3 off 2 for the Whole Blends and a 3 off 2 digital for the Fructis. So you'd be left to pay $13.16, and you'd earn back a total of $6 in extra bucks from doing the two deals, making all four hair care products just $7.16 or just $1.79 each. And your store very well may have these priced cheaper, which would make this an even better deal for you. Tresemme Hair Care is spend $20, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab one of the bigger ones priced at $7.99 and two priced at $6.49, totaling $20.97. And we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. So using that, you'd be left to pay $15.97, and after getting back your $10 extra buck, it would make all three just $5.97. L'Oreal Elvive are on sale for $4.99, and they're buy two, get back a $2 extra buck. So grab two totaling $9.98 and use a 4 off 2 digital. You'd be left to pay $5.98, and after your $2 extra buck, it makes both of them $3.98 or $1.99 each. The Coppertone sunscreen is spend $20, get back a $10 extra buck. So at my store, the cheapest option would be grabbing two of the sprays at $11.99, totaling $23.98. We have a 4 off 1 digital coupon that you can use for one of them, and then use a $2 hang tag for the other one, and you'd be left to pay $17.98, making both of them $7.98 after getting back the $10 extra buck from spending $20 before coupons. Another sunscreen deal that you can do is on Banana Boat. You can grab one of the aloe or the after sun lotion at $8.99, and then one of the sprays at $12.49, totaling $21.48. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that you can use, so you'd be left to pay $17.48, and after getting back your $10 extra buck, it makes both of them $7.48. Heads up, my store does not carry the raw sugar bar soap, but they are participating in the buy two, get back a $4 extra buck, and I believe they're priced under $4, so that makes two of them really cheap. So if you're interested, check to see if your store carries them. Again, this week, CVS gift cards are on promo for spend $50, get back a $15 extra buck. So again, I really recommend doing this deal if you're ever using your credit card or cash here and there. Buy the gift card, earn the extra buck, and then use your gift card to pay for your couponing from whatever the extra care bucks do not cover. You'll save a lot of money in the long run doing this. The General Mills cereal are on sale for $1.99 each, so you can grab two of them and use a $1 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $2.98, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box, getting a total of $1 back. They have rebates on a lot of the different cereal types. So that would make your final cost just $1.98 for both, or 99 cents each. But then make sure to check your Fetch app. Mine had 200 points back on General Mills cereal, which is about equal to 20 cents. So after redeeming for that, it would make two boxes $1.99. $1.78 for me. Definitely check your Fetch app. And if you do not already have the Fetch Rewards app, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $2 bonus.
Okay, you guys, so I just got to CVS and I did 3 transactions. This first one was on the clearance Neutrogena product along with the stubborn acne patches. So all of my coupons came off perfect for the clearance item and then the acne patches. I had my 5 off 20 Neutrogena Aveeno CRT and I used $5 in extra bucks, had a $1.79 subtotal. So $6.79 out of pocket between extra bucks and cash, but then I got back my $5 extra buck for spending 10 on the Neutrogena acne, making both items just $1.79, which was amazing. Okay, and then one of my 3 off 15 transactions that I did at self-checkout, this one was grabbing the Optic White, the Axe body wash, and the body sprays, and then the Neutrogena acne patches. And I totally have to admit that when I first was researching deals, I thought the Axe body spray was also buy one get one 50% off, and it's not. So definitely not as good of a deal as I originally thought when I was playing my scenarios today. And so I was kind of confused at self-checkout why my total was like $3 more than I expected it to be after all the coupons. And then I realized that. So this 3 out of 15 self-checkout transaction was supposed to be a final cost of less than $3, but it ended up being a cost of like $7. So still a decent deal though. My digitals for the Axe came off, my Neutrogena, the Colgate, my 3 out of 15. And then I used $17 in extra care bucks to pay and had a $5.93 subtotal. So around $23 out of pocket between extra bucks and cash. And then I got back a total of $16 in extra bucks. And that was 5 for the Colgate, 5 for the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne, and then 3 for each of the Axe deals. So that made my final cost just $7. Again, not bad for everything that I got. It was like over $40 worth of stuff. But just a heads up that only the Axe body wash is buy one get one 50% off. The body sprays are not. Okay, and finally, last transaction, another self-checkout 3 out of 15. On this one, I did the Oral-B toothbrushes, the 3 of them, the Axe body wash again, and then the Gillette and Venus razors. So my 5 off 3 for the Oral-B came off, the Axe, and the 2 Gillette and Venus digitals in my 3 out of 15. And I used a total of $13 in extra care bucks to pay and had about a $3 subtotal, so $16 out of pocket between extra bucks and cash. But then I got back $12 in extra bucks, which was 5 for the Oral-B, 3 for the Axe, and 4 for the Gillette and the Venus deal. So that made this transaction just a final cost of about $4, which is definitely a good deal considering everything that I got. So let me know if you guys got your 3 off 15 CRT this week, or what spend CRT you got if you used your Thursday % off coupon, and what you're going to be using it on this week. Let me know what your favorite deal of the week is. If you're excited for this week's deals, what are you guys thinking about the new digital coupons that we got and what we're working with this week? And make sure you're following me on my short form platforms where I post different content than I post on here, including Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I'm at kaylakoupons, the same way that my channel is spelled, and I will catch you guys next week for the second week of the CVS sales ad.